Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the iPhone 12 Pro so the rear sensors face the scene. This matters because Lidar measures depth by timing light pulses. Once done, open Camera or a Lidar-capable app and choose a mode that supports depth, portrait, night, or a scanning app. Make sure you hold the phone steady at about 1 to 3 meters for most indoor scans, because closer than 1 meter can confuse calibration, and farther than 3 meters reduces accuracy. Now you sweep the scene methodically, moving slowly and keeping the phone parallel to walls and floors, since Lidar needs consistent angles to merge depth points. As you scan, watch the app's mesh or point cloud. Wait until it fills gaps before you stop a pass, because the algorithm fuses frames to improve accuracy. If you need scale precision, include a known object or tape measure in frame and take overlapping passes to avoid holes in the model. To finish, inspect the generated mesh and use in-app tools to trim or fill small holes, then export to the format you need. Obj or UST for 3D work, making sure to save a copy. If parts look warped, retake those areas with slower, closer passes. As a tip, if scans are noisy or the app jitters, clean the sensors, remove intense reflections, and restart the app. These steps fix most issues because Lidar struggles with glare and obstructed emitters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.